Michael Riesling. I'm the marketing chair of the HDBaseT Alliance. We are here at CEDIA 2012 at the HDBaseT booth, and we are excited to share with you the latest news about HDBaseT. And this year we will focus about our new certification program. We have several vendors showing their first HDBaseT certified product, and this is very important for this ecosystem because eventually HDBaseT works for the installer, the system integrators, and our message to these guys is look for the HDBaseT logo on the product. So we have products from companies like Wirestorm, Geffen, Transformative Engineering, Kramer, we have the Athlona stuff, we have the Crestron stuff. And this is just a snapshot of the products that are already using the HDBaseT logo, and you can expect to see more and more of them coming. So please look for the HDBaseT logo.
I'm Justin Kennington, our product manager of Crestron Digital Media. HDBaseT is a foundation technology for digital media. We actually take advantage of the full 5-play feature set, audio, video, Ethernet for control. We send USB and power to our endpoint devices, all through HDBaseT. We were happy to announce earlier this year at the Infocom show that all of our HDBaseT products have been certified by the Alliance to be compatible with all other certified HDBaseT products, including some of the great displays coming out now featuring HDBaseT inputs. Those can now be connected directly to your Crestron HDBaseT-based digital media switch.
The HDBaseT Alliance was formed by LG Electronics, Samsung Electronics, Sony Pictures Entertainment, and Valens Semiconductor to promote and standardize HDBaseT technology. It's a multimedia connectivity technology optimized for long-distance distribution of data and multimedia content. HDBaseT sends its 5-play feature set, fully uncompressed HD video, audio, Ethernet, controls, and power. That's over a single 100 Cat5A or Cat6 cable. HDBaseT is the only single cable technology which can do this.
Geffen was one of the first adopters of HDBaseT technology, and at this point all of our HDMI and DVI extenders are using HDBaseT technology, and we are certified, and being certified allows you to use Geffen transmitting HDBaseT devices with manufacturers who have HDBaseT built directly into their displays or built directly into their projectors.
And talking about our process that we've gone through as a company and our alliance with HDBaseT, with the testing, compliance, and process that we go through to be able to make sure that we're in compliance with HDBaseT and the processes that we go through for that. So what you see behind me here is our 8x8 HDBaseT product that we've had certified from HDBaseT, and the product goes through a process of us building the product in a beta stage, sending the product to HDBaseT to be able to properly go through and test all of its functionality, making sure it aligns with all the specifications of HDBaseT and the performance levels that it requires for certification.
Whatever gets in, gets out. So from your perspective, it's exactly like an HDMI, a long HDMI cable.
Now, what that means, friends, is that pretty soon you'll all be able to get rid of this cable and this power cable and all the other cables, creating a massive mess in your living room, and replace them all with this single, reliable, inexpensive cable that we're already familiar with. Take a look. This TV is connected using only one cable, and as you've noticed, no power outlet is required. HDBaseT's whole home networking solution is tailored for convergence and interoperability. It's a flexible solution. It accommodates various consumer electronics devices with or without the native support, so it ensures that none of your CE devices become obsolete. But the highlight of CEDIA this year is that we have Panasonic's and Projection Designs projectors. And guess what? These have the built-in native HDBaseT support in them. They're already available on the market, so you can check them out as well.